Good morning, cryptomaniacs. It's the voice of the blockchain, Champagne, back with another one. Good morning to everyone. Up early, cruising to get some coffee. Wanted to touch base with you as we start another week, another kapump. It seems we got to keep our eyes focused on the markets, see what's really going on. It seems like the pharmaceuticals are the wild card here. I'm going to keep my eyes on them. Of course, last week we saw Gilead, kapump, and there's going to be other pharmaceuticals that promise therapies or perhaps even a vaccine. So, keep our eyes open on that and see if maybe we can jump on opportunities. Keep your eyes open. It's obviously too late for Gilead, but the talk of the week, in my opinion, I think the best move that I've done, would I say this month or at least last week, was dumping Litecoin and moving into Ethereum. I don't know how many times I had trashed Litecoin, and I'm glad that I moved everything into ETH, all the Litecoin into ETH. Now I have other altcoins, but I'm seriously considering moving more into ETH. Trying to join that 32 ETH club, if you know what I mean. Now, I heard that Ether did suffer some sort of a hack, or the DeFi platform this weekend, where the DAI stable coins, or it seems to me, I don't know the ins and outs, I'm going to be honest with you, but it seems to me like DeFi is still vulnerable, and that's probably why it hasn't taken off. Okay, DeFi is still vulnerable, that's probably why it hasn't taken off. But there's a but. That's not forever, okay? And they got a solid idea there, and people are using it, okay? Although it's been compromised a few times, I still think that the future of DeFi is there. I saw Charlie Lee trashing DeFi, talking trash about DeFi. Charlie Lee, after dumping his Litecoin at the all-time high, I don't know. I think I'm going to have to revoke his Twitter pass. I don't know if he gets to chime on in, okay? After dumping Litecoin at the all-time high. Anyway, I'm bullish on ETH. I think it's probably the strongest move. I got my eyes on the pharmaceuticals. And then, of course, we're keeping our eyes on crude oil, because that's the lifeblood. And then the 10-year bond, which went low last, dipped to like 5.59 or it was in the 6.6 range. But it's critical. We got to keep an eye on it. It's critical. And let's see how it shakes and bakes. And if we see green on the 10-year, I would assume that the markets will follow. Listen, guys, we already know we're in a managed market. This is basically, I don't know whether to call it socialism, communism, fascism, some sort of an ism. But this is not, it's definitely not capitalism. It's not a free market, and we know the deal. So we just got to keep our eyes open. I feel like the Fed is going to continue throwing Hail Marys and doing what they got to do to prop this market up, and which companies are going to benefit. That's what we got to ride. We got to ride that wave and continue to move forward. Now, as far as Bitcoin, looking good. Let's see what it all pans out to, but we're very, very close to the halvening. So if there's going to be a pump, this is about it, So I told you guys what my position is. After hodling Bitcoin for such a while, I'm strongly considering taking some profits now around the halvening, after holding for some years now. When I say take some profit, I said some, not all, guys. I'm still going to hold a position in BTC. And if I do take some profits, I may just even hold that USD and see if Bitcoin goes down after the halvening. Okay, so, we may have a little run up. I've had my targets on 8,000, be honest with you guys. So let's see if we can go that high. I'm not sure, definitely not 10K, but maybe we could touch 8K. So as we approach, now that we're over 7K and we're about less than 30 days in, I'm probably going to start DCAing and selling a little bit to move my position out, and then after the halving I will expect the price to go down a little bit before maybe it starts going back up. So if it does take a dip, I'll have some cash on hand to buy back into BTC, but I won't even sell the majority of my position. I'm gonna keep hodling. But, you know, I think it's time to take a little bit off the table after hodling for some years. Maybe, you know, hold it in USD, buy back into BTC, maybe get some more ETH, maybe moving that into something else, or just hodling the cash, you know. So I'll keep you guys informed, and I'll keep you guys posted on what I'm going to do on Robinhood. You know, I've been experimenting with the options trading. So, you know, I'm a bit down, to be honest with you guys, but I feel like I'm learning a lot, and you know, I might snag a big one. You know, I might snag a big one. So I'll keep you guys posted. I'll do the live stream today. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it early, but I'll do it by lunchtime. So keep you guys stay tuned in. In other words, it's the voice of the blockchain, Satoshi's big cousin, cryptography's finest champagne. Thanks for tuning in.